Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert page number in Word from page 5. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert page number in Word from page 5. Firstly, insert some page. Press Ctrl Enter on our keyboard. Then zoom out this document to see the all page. Then go to the fifth page and go to the layout menu. Then click breaks drop down menu and choose continuous. Then go back the insert menu. Then click page number drop down menu. Then choose top of page. Then choose plain number 2. Then click link to previous. Then go back the fourth page and delete the page number. Then click the fifth page. Then go to the page number option and choose format page numbers. Then start at page number in 1. Then close the header and footer. Now we can see here we insert page number in Word from 5th page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.